Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SANP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, did it on Friday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from, and the bulls made a very nice move today, more so later in the afternoon. You can see that's when the volume came in more so than any other time on the day. But regardless, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning. Going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter and lines all over the place. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes about from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 0015, one of the newest areas of support going forward. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of it all, a very simplistic way to look at this, assuming of course you care about more so a longer term time frame, is in regards to that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes on. So again, very straightforward way to gauge the strength or lack thereof of the current price movement. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself increases and moves upwards, then the bulls are in full strength, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. The party stopped today up there at 0019, so that'll be public enemy number 1 going forward. And in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not necessarily the top priority. Top priority is just keep on doing what it's been doing. What has it been doing? Well, it's been building higher bases over time. And just to give a little more context, so as you can see, as long as these higher bases continue to be put into place, so, I mean, you have this before things came to life. Big move here when the bears try to smack it back down. That's as low as they could get. And now with another move up, even if the price were, let's say, come down right there, even at that point in time from the big picture, you'd still have beautiful stair steps very clearly heading in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. So, like I said, top priority, just keep on doing what it's been doing. Keep on building higher bases, and the rest of the chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.